Today I'm going to show you the easiest way to start a successful dropshipping business from scratch. And the best part is you don't need any skills or knowledge to succeed because AI will help pick your products, build your store, and advertise for you. All you need to do is follow along with this free tutorial, and in a few minutes you'll have your very own dropshipping store ready to sell products. Over 1 million people have already done what I'm going to teach you today, including this dude who made $32K in a day, this guy who made $43K in a week, this man who made $6K in a day, and tons of other success stories. So to start, just click the first link in my description, which will bring you to my AI store builder. Once you're here, click build my free store. Then you'll have to enter your legal name alongside an email and password to sign up. Now it's going to ask you some basic questions like what niche of product you want to sell. These 5 are some of the most profitable dropshipping niches, so choosing any of them will work, but if you're not sure yet, click I'm not sure, then hit done. Now it'll ask you to choose photos for your home page related to your niche. You can pick 2 of these, but if you don't like them, don't worry. You can always manually add whatever you want to your store by dragging and dropping it in later. Plus, if you decide to switch niches down the line, you can always create another store of MyAI for free. MyAI partner with Shopify makes this process extremely easy. And speaking of Shopify, once you select those photos, press done, and now it's time to create your Shopify account by clicking Access Shopify. As you can see, it's free for the first 3 days, and the next 3 months only costs $1. They do this so beginners have enough time to build their website and start selling before they have to pay the full subscription cost. But since you're using MyAI, you'll be ready to sell by the end of this video. So enter your email here, press start free trial, verify you're a human because I guess the AI doesn't want AI signing up for itself. Now we can race through these questions. Choose I'm just starting out, an online store, select drop shipping, press next, select your country, then sign up with the email and password you used earlier, and congrats, you now have a Shopify account. So navigate back to the AI page, press done, go back to Shopify to copy your store link, then paste it in here and press done again. Next, you have to select your Shopify plan. Like I said, the first 3 days are free, then it's $1 for 3 months, regardless of what plan you choose. But as a beginner, you'll only need the basic plan, which is $29 a month after that trial period. So select the basic plan, enter your info, and press subscribe. And speaking of subscribing, I'm giving you all this info and access to my AI store builder for free. So as a thank you, please hit the subscribe button below. Pretty please. And now that you've subbed to me in Shopify, they're gonna ask for your business address, which you can skip by pressing add later. Then go back to the AI, click done, press install app, then install the app on Shopify so my AI can create your store. But to actually import and sell the products, you need to use my favorite dropshipping software, AutoDS. AutoDS takes care of everything by shipping products directly to customers, so you don't have to worry about a thing. They sponsored this video, but even if they didn't, I'd tell y'all to use them because they are the best. So scroll down and register for AutoDS, create an account with your same email from earlier, select Shopify as your selling channel, then for the plan, I recommend choosing the starter 500 package. It'll supply you with all your fulfillment needs, and it's only $1 for the first 30 days. After selecting your plan, press add store, click Shopify store, continue, then press the first option and press continue again. This will open a page to download AutoDS so they can import your products, then ship them directly to customers, which I'll talk more about later, so install it. Then once it loads, your brand new Shopify store with winning products will be ready. To view your store, press online store on the left side, then click the little eyeball or the big view your store button. As you can see, the AI built you a gorgeous store with everything set up for you. Your home page has HD images, persuasive copy, product photos / videos, and testimonials. Then to see your products, scroll up and click the catalog section, and here they are. You can sell all of these, remove the ones you don't like, import more products, or change the names and prices in the back end in just a few clicks. It's as simple as heading back over to your Shopify dashboard, pressing online store, press customize, and now you can change whatever you want. So take a few minutes, play around editing your store, and now that it's built, I'm sure you're wondering,
Logan, what do I do if I get a sale? Will it automatically ship to my customer?
and the answer is yes, because you're using AutoDS. How it works is when someone purchases your product, the order will alert AutoDS and be flagged as pending until the customer's information is sent to the supplier. Then once the supplier ships the product, it'll be flagged as shipped, and finally when the product arrives at your customer's house, it'll say delivered. Just make sure you have the Fulfill by AutoDS turned on in the settings. And say you want to import a new product, just go to AutoDS's marketplace, then scroll through their winning product catalog that provides you with all the information you need. Plus, you can order sample products now so you can check the quality before selling, and you can make your own ads and organic content with the product in hand. AutoDS AutoDS makes dropshipping 100 times easier, so ensure you signed up during the process or your store won't work. And now that your site's ready, you need to learn how to create ads to get sales. You can do this with AI by using AutoDS's Ad Spy tool that will show you ads from successful dropshipping campaigns, including ones with your exact product. Then you can plug that idea you got from the ad in the adcreative.ai or quickads.ai, which will make you stunning photo ads in seconds. Or if you want videos, you can use quickads.ai, which makes realistic video advertisements with AI influencers holding your product. But if you're not willing to spend money on ads yet, you're gonna need to make organic content and social media in order to get sales. And lucky for y'all, I teach you how to do that in this video right here. Just click it to get started. Thanks for watching and God bless.